Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Akron Zips rebuild on the channel. I know it's been a while. I know it's been about a week. I had technical difficulties. I was trying to play it last week, but it just wouldn't record. So we're here now. Got it all figured out. And the Zips are going up into Ann Arbor to take on the Michigan Wolverines, baby. Here we go. Drop a like. Comment your score prediction before the video. Smash that subscribe button if you're new around here. Let's get into the video. The Zips versus the number 21 ranked Wolverines. We're 1-1 in the year. We just beat FCS East. Yeah, the East Howlers lost to. I got smoked by Alabama week 1, but hey, we're 1-1, bouncing back this week. We're looking for a gigantic upset. There's our numbers. We're a good rush team. That's what I'm gonna try to do here today. Wow. And then there's our guys. Our second best player is our punter. Injury report. Oh, they're left hand. I don't know if he's playing or not. But all right, boys and girls, here we go. The Akron Zips heading up into Ann Arbor to try to get the W here today. We're ready. We're ready to roll up here in Ann Arbor. Boo, boo. Show me, show me. Oh, they didn't show me on the sideline. All right, boys, it's time to get it going here. Let's get a dub. Boo, boo. We're skipping that. We're getting right into game time, baby. Here in the big house. Should have went tails. Should have went tails. All right, they're giving us the ball, baby. The Zips are getting the ball. Let's go make a statement, baby. We're going with Johnson. We're going. Oh my God, big blocks, down the sideline. What a way to start the game, baby. What a way to start it. David Johnson. Let's go, baby. Oh, yes. That is how we start a game. Oh, it's all shaking. I don't know the buttons. We're switching it. We're giving it to our guy, Hunter. Our guy up the middle. Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Oh, come on. I could have had a first down. Get it to the halfback, baby. Woo! Get it to our star player. Derek Hunter's our guy. We're feeding him. First down, baby. Oh, they both fell for it. McDonald! To the house! To the house! The Zips! The Akron Zips, baby! Let's go! The Zips! The Zips! Wow! What a play, baby! What a play! There we go. That's good, baby. That's good defense. Come on. Let's go. Come on, D. Oh, sit down. Big light up. Even though they almost got the first down. Uh-oh. Come on, 3rd and 1, baby. We're bringing the pressure. Pinch him. No! Damn it. Oh, look at those stotties. Look at the hose. The Michigan hose. Damn. Damn. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Oh, this is not good. I'm gonna start running a spy or something. I have to. I'm starting to figure them out a little bit here. Oh my God, we got rid of it! We're forcing a field goal, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Keep hooking. Keep hooking. Ah. All right. We're up 7-3. I'll take it. I will take it for sure. Got it, baby. McDonald with a seed. Look at this throw. That was Madden. That was picked off for sure. Ah, it didn't work. Ah, why'd I do something like that? Oh, yeah, we got to keep him in. Hunter will be back in. Damn it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Big hit. Big hit, baby. I mean, we give up a field goal if we have to. Oh, no. Ah! That's a gigantic play in this football game. No! No! Oh, that's a heartbreaker. And they get ball at halftime. That is an absolute heartbreaker. Oh, I got caught. There I am again. No, I'm not looking too happy, boys. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Is he hurt? Oh, no, he's not. Okay. Alright, Come on, come on, come on. We don't got time, McDonald. Come on. Got him. Alright, let's use one. We're gonna use one here. We're gonna use one here. Keep that one in our back pocket for the field goal if we need it. That's probably a dumb timeout there, but... And it got out of bounds. There we go. Whew, that was big. That was big. Come on, get to the line. Get to the line. Get to the line. We might have one more stab at this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Got it! How do I spike? We're going for the tie. We're going for the tie, I think. Yeah, I don't have time. I don't have time. Alright, we're going for the tie. We're going. That's fine. That's fine. That's big time. We're going to be tied at halftime, baby. I will take it. This is a weird angle field goal. Get in! Alright, there we go. We're tied at the half. Figure something out here. Got to figure out how to stop this offense. They spiking it. Whoa, what was that? Oh, no. Ah, shoot. Damn. I didn't know what, like, formation that was. I was so confused. One more play. Come on, get off the field here, D. Come on, defense. Get him! Let's go! Yes! Yes, baby. Get off the field. This is massive. They're going for it. Oh, shit. Shit. Come on, D. Come on. We got it. This is a bet. You want to win football games like this. You got to make big plays. Come up and get him. Come up and get him. We got him. We got him. The Akron Zips. This is it. This is it. I can feel it. If you can feel it in the chat, let me know. We're all over them, baby. We are all over these guys. Come on. Got him. Got him. Got him with the first. Marcus McDonald. Come on, baby. Come on. Look at them. See, Michigan cheerleaders are thotties. Our cheerleaders are nice, young, respectable women, baby. I don't know what to do. Give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him. Did I get it? We got it. There he is. What? 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 Come on. Spread them out, baby. McDaniel! Nate McDaniel! Nate McDaniel! What a clutch catch by McDaniel, baby. Lowe! Derek Lowe! I think Carl Lowe! Come on, baby! That's a clutch play! That's a clutch play! Derek Hunter! Derek Hunter! Come on! Come on! Come on, baby! Let's go! Let's go, Zips! Shock the nation! Shock the nation, Zips! No, 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 no! Alright, fourth quarter, we're up 7, baby. Fourth quarter, we are up by 7. 17-10, baby. McDonald with a passing and a rushing touchdown. Run it up, baby. No, we got it. We got it. Damn. Another big third down here. We got him! Fourth down! We have him! We have him! What are they gonna do? What are they gonna do? Dude, this is massive. They're going. Holy they're going, baby. This is this is make or break here. 4th and 2. No, we had him. Get him! Did we get him? Turns it over! He turns it over! He turned it over! Oh my God! Oh my God! Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh, what a throw by McDonald! Stay in bounds! Let's go! What a throw! What a throw by McDonald's! Ice in the veins! Sheesh! Sheesh! What a throw, baby! Marcus McDonald. E-I-E-I-O, baby. Marcus McDonald! Marcus McDonald! E-I-E-I! Oh, baby! Marcus McDonald, the read option, trying to put the dagger in him. They want the dagger, baby. Let's go. They don't know what to do out here, baby. They don't know what to do with this Zips offense. Derek Hunter to the end zone, to the end zone. The Zips might do it. The Zips have a chance. The Zips have a chance here, ladies and gentlemen. To the outside, into the end zone. We're going up into the big house, and we're trying to smack them around, baby. 1 minute, 57 seconds away from a huge upset. Oh, I almost went off. Coming into the season, we were the third lowest ranked team. That's a big sack. That's a big sack. The third lowest overall team in the whole video game. And there we're playing the 21st ranked Michigan Wolverines. I'm back. Oh, he shifted me off. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Get him! Oh my God! Get him! How did I not pick that? How did I not pick that? How did I not pick that? The guy was right there. Screen. Fourth down, fourth down. Whew, this could nail in the coffin it, baby. This could nail in the coffin it. We're rushing 2 people right now. This could nail in the coffin this football game. Nope. I mean, it's still almost over. I'm not saying it's over. I don't want to jinx it. The boys back home are excited. They're ecstatic. Ah, they got it. All right, all right. All we got to do is recover this onside kick. Do one play for the game. One play for the game. We got it. Eddie Cox, go down. Eddie Cox, he got it. He got it. The Akron Zips, baby. We're going to do it. We're going to shock the nation. What a game. What a game. Let it tick off, baby. Let it bleed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Win. Win. The Akron Zips, baby. Boom. The first upset of the series. Week 3, baby. We beat the Wolverines. ESPN Classic. Shock the nation, baby. Come on. Look at Marcus McDonald. 160 yards passing. Over 100 yards rushing. He's a superstar in the making. He's a true freshman, and he's ready to win. Wow. What an upset, baby. Wow. Holy shit. Put dubs in the comments down below. Dubs in the comments down below, baby. That's right. We did it. The Akron Zips had defeated the number 21 ranked team in the nation. And now we're staying in the Big Ten because next week we're going up in the Happy Valley. And we're going to look to do it again, baby. We're going to look to do it again. Whew. What a game. What a game, baby. We got an upgrade for T-Bags, the head coach. Now let's advance week and see if we are ranked. Probably not, but let's see. Boom. We're not ranked. We are not ranked, but we are going to play 1 and 2 Penn State next week. Smash that like button, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, get notified when the next one goes up. And that's going to be it for this week's episode, this episode of the Akron Zips Rebuild. We're out, and we'll see you next week. Peace.